Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this to-do list. So, this to-do list can be used for your personal work, or you can create a work list for your house members or in your office. So, let's see a very short demo of this to-do list. After that, we will learn how to create this. So, first here you can see this is a setup. So as you click on setup, you go to the setup sheet. Here you have to create a list for the category of your task. Then if you have different person to assign those tasks, type the name of those person here, and here the priority of the task, high, medium, low, or you can use it in different way as you wish. As you finish doing the setup, go to the to-do list. And here first you can see the current date. Then here is a very short report of your task. That is, one task is due today. There is no overdue task. Total task is 8 and total due task is 7. So here first there is a task ID column. You do not have to type the task ID. It will generate automatically. I will show you. Then here you type the category from the drop down list. Then give here the description of the task. Then here type the date in which you assign the task, and here type the final date of the task to be completed, that is due date of the task. Then select priority from the drop down list and select the person to whom you assign the task. And as the task is completed, you just select this status column and type here 1 and press enter. You can see we got here a tick mark and done written, and here all the colors are changed. And now if you want to add a new task, go to the last cell and press tab. You can see the task ID automatically generated. Now select here the task type. Suppose payment, and here type rent payment. Then give here a date 10/10/2021, and it must be completed within 15th of October 21. And here select medium and you select here the person 2. So in this way you can add new task, and when the task is completed, just type here 1. So in this way you can easily manage your task for yourself and for your members. So let's begin this tutorial. First, create a new workbook and then rename this worksheet as setup, and create another sheet and rename this sheet as to-do list. Okay, then go to setup and make a column margin and a row margin, and select from C to I and merge it, and type here to-do list setup, and then increase the size of this text with 22 and select here the font of your choice and make it left alignment. Now format this cell, go to background color and select this color, and then increase its width little bit and make it center. Okay, now we will insert two pictures. So go to insert, illustration, pictures, then go to the picture, select this one, and another one is this one. Okay, so we will color this cell also. Okay, now put this here, and here we will create a button. Insert, shape, this one. Okay, now go to format, remove the outline, then select a fill color, this one, and go to shadow and get this one. Okay, and type here, so right click on it and edit text, to do list. Okay, now you can put this, so move it to forward, bring to forward. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, so make this little bigger and change the font of this button. So select the font, select black color, make it center. Okay, now group all this one and this one, format, then go to group, and now link this button with this sheet. So right click, link, here place in this document and click on to-do list. Okay, now if we click here, we move to to-do list sheet. So now here we will create the setup. So first type here task type, or type here category, then leave one column, then type here assigned person, then leave one column and type here priority. Okay, now just make this little bigger and this one smaller. So select this 3 column. Okay, and these 2 columns should be this way. Okay, now here type, or you may create a table. So select this 2 cell, this is the heading, and here we'll type the category. So insert table, my table has header. Okay, then again this cell, insert table, my table has header. Okay, and here again same thing. Okay, now you can change this color. So go to design, you can select this color. Okay, now type here payment, then cleaning, then shopping, then tuition, in this way. Now assigned person, here I am typing person 1, then copy this, yes, tab, person 2, then person 3, person 4. Okay, now here the priority high, medium and low. Okay, so remove this one, delete row. Now we will create a dynamic name range for this category, assigned person and priority. So first go to formula, name manager, and here click new. Type here category. Then here select this. You can see here table 1 task category. So the name of this table is table 1 and heading of the column is task category. Okay. Then second one, assigned or person, and same thing you have to do. Okay. And the third one, priority, and select this one. Okay, close it. So we have made this table and create a dynamic range for this table. Now we have to create the to-do list. So go to to-do list sheet and here give a column margin and a row margin. Then select from C to I and merge it. Now type here to-do list. Then go to home, make it left alignment, select a font, increase the size. Okay. Now select this cell, go to home and select a background color. And here we will put the logo. So increase the size up to 60. Okay. And increase this size also and insert illustration picture, select this one. Okay, put this here and make it center. Okay, now here we will put the button for setup. Go to setup, select this button, copy and paste it here and move it to here and ungroup it. Remove this one and here we'll put the logo for setup. So select this one. Okay, make it little smaller. Okay, now select this, here type setup. Okay, increase the font size. Okay, now select this one and this one, this two, and group this and right click, link, setup. Okay, so now if I click here, we go to setup, here we click it, we move to to-do list. Now here we will type the current date. So for that we will use a formula today equal to today, bracket open, bracket close. We got the date and we will format this date, go to home and select long date and select this up to here or here and merge it and make it left alignment. Then increase the size, select a font, change the color. Okay, now here we will create two report. Number one is due today, overdue, and leave one column and type here total task, total due. Okay, now select these two cells and change the color, this one, and select this cell and this cell and give it a color, this one, and again select all this and go to home then select more borders, and here select white color and give here a middle margin and a center margin. Sorry, select the white color and then this one and this one. Okay, so it is done. We will do the formula later after creating the table. So here give a margin and here we will create the table. So first task ID, then category, then task description, then assigned date, then due date, then priority, assigned to, then status. Okay, now select this two row and go to insert table, my table as header. Okay, now select the color for this table, go to design, and here you can see this one is blue table style 20, and at the right it is not within the range of this selection, so here it is green table style medium 21. So this one you have to take, and then you have to use the formula. For the task ID you have to type equal to if this cell, so here it should be, we will not use this one, we will use B7 cell reference equal to task ID, then 1, else B7 plus 1, bracket close and tab. So we got here 1. Now for category we have to use the drop down list. So go to data, here select data validation, then select your list, and in the source press F3, select category. Okay, okay, now you can see here we got the category. Select the payment. Now task description, suppose I can type here pay electricity bill. Now assign date, give here assign date, suppose 23rd 9 2021, and the due date is 25th 9 2021. Priority, again here we have to give the drop down list, so go to data, data validation, select here list, then the source press F3, select priority. Okay, okay, now select here high. Now assign to, here also we need a drop down list, so go to data, then data validation, then select here list, and in the source press F3 and click person. Okay, okay, so we got here person 1. And in status, so here whenever we type 1, we will not see 1. Instead of 1, we will see here done and a tick mark. So for that, first we have to format this cell, right click, go to format cell and go to numbers and custom, and here type done. Okay, so as we type here 1, we cannot see the 1, just done, and here we want the tick mark. So for that we need to do a conditional formatting, so go to home, conditional formatting, icon set, select this one. So you can see we got here a tick mark, but here we have to change, so go to home, conditional formatting, manage rule, here we do not need this too, so go to edit rule, here select no cell icon, here also no cell icon, and here just number and here formula here it should be 1 and here it should be equal to 0. Okay, then apply. Okay, so most of the thing is done. Now if I type here tab, you can see we got the task ID 2, payment, we got the drop down list, cleaning, type here clean kitchen, then give a date 25/9/2021, then 28/9/2021, and here the priority is medium, person 2, and if we do it 1. So it's perfect. Now we have to do the conditional formatting. When we click on done, then this color will change and the current date's work will be highlighted. These two we have to do, but before that we need more data, so I will copy this. So we have copied some data, so delete this too also, and now we will do the conditional formatting. When there is any task for the current date, then it will be highlighted. So select all this, go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. So our current date based will be on due date. So go to use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then here equal to this cell. Press F4 to lock the column only. Then go to format, fill color, select this one, and in the font select here bold. Then OK. Okay. So there is some mistake. So go to home, conditional manage rule, this one. Sorry, we type only F8. So here it should be equal to today. Then OK, apply. Okay, you can see there is only one task, that is 26th of September, as today is 26th of September. So next thing, when we type here 1, that is done task, this number will be strike through. So select this, go to home, new rule, select this one and type here equal to this cell, press F4, to lock the column, then equal to 1. So if this cell is equal to 1, then this will be striked off. So go to format, then font, type as strike through and change the color. So color I will give this one. Okay. Okay. You can see all are strike through. But if you want that done should not be strike through, then change the range. Go to home, manage rule. Here you have to give up to H for this one. Type here H, apply and OK. So all these are strike through, only done is not strike through. And if you type here 1, you can see everything got changed. So in this way you can create this to-do list. And here we will calculate the total due today. So for that, equal to count if s this range equal to today, comma, this is the range, and this is the criteria 1, then criteria 2 should be this range, comma, criteria will be blank, then bracket close, enter. There is no task. If I delete this one, you can see one task is due today and overdue. So here type equal to count if s, select this range, comma, less than. So less than will be within double quotation and today. That means this date should be less than today, and then comma, this range, comma should be blank. Bracket close, enter. Here 0 overdue task. If I delete 1 here, 1 overdue task. And here total task. So equal to count A, select these IDs. Then bracket close, enter. Total 9 tasks and total due task equal to count if this range, comma, within quotation not equal to and 1. Bracket close, enter. We got here 9. So if I type here 1, you can see total due task is 8. Here overdue becomes 0. And here if I type 1, you can see 0 due today, 0 overdue, total due is 7. And here if you want to change this number to number and task, so right click, select all these cells and right click and format cells, and here go to custom and in general type hash, then quotation space task, then type here. Okay, then you can see here 0 task, so there is no value. 9 task, 7 task. If I delete this one, as 1 due today. If I delete this one, 1 overdue today. So select all this and change the font. Okay, so now everything is done. So I hope it was very easy tutorial and you have understood everything very clearly. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. So if you like this video, please hit the like button to support us, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you can get regular updates and notification from our channel when you upload new Excel automation videos that makes your life easier and save lots and lots of time. So thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.